Hi, my name's Alan Hunter, and you may have seen some of my videos about motorcycles. Here's one. And you may have seen some of my videos about writing for self-exploration. And people have said, wait, is this really the same guy? And the answer is yes. So what's the connection? Well, let me tell you, there is a connection. Because if you're working on old machines, old motorcycles, you need patience, and you need to be very careful not to force anything. The same thing applies if you're writing in order to discover at depth who you are and what you care about. Because you see, if you're restoring a motorcycle, or if you're restoring your sense of self through writing, you have to let your story emerge at its own rate. Don't force it. Don't jump to any conclusions. Allow it to tell you how it needs to be told. And just as working on machines gives me a sense of peace, so you will find, when you uncover the truth about who you are and what you truly feel, you will find your own peace. And this is a 1931 Matchless Model X. It's nearly 90 years old. It's still got lots of life in it. Thank you.